Perfect. Perfect.
Hey my natural beauties, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Hey, alright, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got my hair like this. Basically going to just be giving you all the details on this hair, tell you guys where I got it from, you know, show you guys how I did the style and all of that. So if you guys want to see, please stay tuned. This is definitely summer vibes. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Alright guys, this is the unit that I will be featuring today and she is gorgeous. This hair is from divatress.com. It is their Zuri Cis Synthetic Naturally Star Lace Front Wig in the style checks. It is a ombre unit that goes from a black to a burgundy and it is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to give you guys all the details on the hair as we go throughout the video, but this is basically what it looks like. Plus guys, the packaging is like super cute. So I'm going to show you guys just basically the unboxing. I'm going to take the wig out the package and just show you guys exactly what it looks like. This is the label for the wig. It just has all the details on it, but I'll talk about that later. I'm going to show you guys close up the cap construction right now. This is how the closure looks. It's a middle part. On the inside of the cap, it comes with combs and also a strap in the back for more security if you need it. So that's just how the lace front looks. I'm going to cut away the lace so that we can definitely begin this tutorial. When you're doing this though guys, please be careful. Try not to cut any of the hair. After cutting the excess lace, I'm going to camouflage the closure by applying some foundation to it. I'm just going to apply foundation to the center part as well as the lace that is around the edges so that, you know, it looks as natural as possible. You guys can see it makes a huge difference. I'm going to put on my dome cap, but before I do that, I'm also going to camouflage that part as well. The part where the middle part is going to be, I'm going to just apply foundation to that so that it looks as natural as possible underneath the wig. After applying the cap and sizing it up, you want to make sure that the middle part is aligned with like a middle part on your hair so that it looks natural. I'm going to go ahead and use the Got To Be Glued spiking gel. I think that's what it's called. And I'm going to use this to lay my baby hairs as well as to adhere the wig to my head. So you guys have seen me use gel to do this before. It's not the first time. If you guys have not seen the original video with the Gorilla Snot, I'm going to have it linked up top. So you just want to basically like apply a lot of gel and, you know, so that it can get tacky. I'm also going to be using the Got To Be Glued spiking spray. I think that's what it's called. I'm going to be using some of that for some reinforcement as well. So you guys will see. I mean, I don't have glue, so this is the next best thing. I'm going to apply the wig and of course just make sure that the parting on the wig is aligned with the parting on my hair and, you know, it's all in line with the cap. As it lays, you guys can already see how natural this lace looks, and it definitely was a result of the foundation and just the way the lace is constructed overall. So I'm basically just going to press all the hair down to make sure that it lays flat or as flat as possible and it sticks to the product that I applied before. Then I'm just basically going to work on my baby hairs. So these are the baby hairs that comes with the wig already. It more looks like a bang, but you know, we're going to fix that. I'm going to clip the hair back and just kind of cut the baby hairs in, like, you know, to the length that I want, because they took out enough baby hairs for you guys. So, you know, all you have to do is just really cut it to the length that you want. I'm just going to cut off some of the length to make it long enough to make cute little baby hairs, but just nothing too excessive. After cutting off the hairs, I'm going to use the same gel and spray to just lay them. I'm going to just kind of comb them in an angular direction so that they look more natural. Then I'm just going to use my do-rag and fold it and just tie it around my edges. You guys can use styling strips or whatever you guys have, you know, it's the same thing. You just need something to make sure that the hair lays and just gets to dry in place. After a couple minutes, I'm going to remove it and reveal the finished look, and this is how the front looks. Very, very nice and natural looking. But yeah guys, that's basically all I did. Now I'm gonna give you guys all the details on the hair. Hey my natural beauties. Okay, so I am here with this section of the video to bring you guys the details on this unit that I am wearing. You guys just watched me style it, you know, set it and ting and ting. So now I'm gonna give you guys all the details on the hair. Okay, so this is the NaturallyMsToya Nat lace wig in checks. I think checks is the style of the wig. It's a lace front and it's from Diva's. Alright, the color is what I call it, Ombre RT Burgundy, or S Ombre RT Burgundy. This is how the box looks. Guys, let me just first of all talk about the packaging. The way this thing comes packaged is so cute. Like with, oh, I have it upside down. Yeah, with the fro and everything, like her look, looking at the hair, this is how it looks like as a fro. Isn't that cute? So the hair was in there, you know, where her head is, right there. And it just says NaturallyMsToya on the bottom here. Let me tuck this back inside so you guys can see. At the bottom of the box here, it has a model wearing the wig, and I love it in all black. It is so cute. I'm going to talk about the hair but in a little bit, and it tells you right there, lace front, this is the style, checks, and the color and all of that. So it features natural baby hair, centered hand-tied part, and high heat up to 400 Fahrenheit. So you can, if I wanted to straighten this, I definitely could. I know that if I go ahead and add heat to this, it's going to be like more straight, but I'm enjoying this blown out, natural inspired texture. I love it. This reminds me of the wig that Desna had in Claws. Yeah, like a same, like kind of yucky texture. Like my love, my love, my love, my love, my love. And I actually hated the baby hairs at first in terms of how I style them, but no, like this, now that it's dry, I don't mind. The lace front is laid, like laid. And guys, I'm not really sure how many inches this is, but it does go like down to my back. Let me see if I can show you guys. This is my waist. Well, my waist starts here, but this is where the hair is. So basically like all the way down into your back. I'm like 5'4", so it catches me a good little distance down. Basically waist length. Short people problems. So the hair itself is very soft. Very soft, lots of movement. It's not rough, like it's synthetic hair, but it doesn't feel like that. It legit just feels so soft. It feels, I don't know, it just has a lot of movement. At first I was very scared about the whole burgundy, not necessarily the ombre, but burgundy being like so bright, because I'm not used to bright hair. But I love it. I actually love it. I feel like when you go with a bright color, once it's ombre and it goes from black to the color, it's not that bad. So it's like, it's pretty safe, you know. It's a lot of hair, that's the first thing. But I think I could definitely get used to this, especially if I like go ahead and like put it in a pony and it there on your store, or go ahead and like wrap it up and put it in a bun. Yeah, I think I will be fine. I love it. I'm looking at myself in the mirror there, guys. If I keep looking to the side, that's what I'm looking at. So what I did was I went ahead and I used the Gorilla Snot, not Gorilla Snot, wrong. I used the Got To Be spiking gel spray something and the glue thing, and I just, you know, I did that. I just applied it, you know, around here. I think I will be going back in and making better baby hairs after time, but right now this is enough. This is definitely enough to last me for a little while, a couple days at least, until I'm ready like to take it off. Love. Yeah guys, so once again the hair is from Diva's. This is their NaturallyMsToya synthetic lace wig in the style checks. This is the Ombre RT burgundy color, goes from a black to a burgundy. So I'm gonna have the direct link to the product down below in the description bar. Yeah, I love it. I just love it. Natural baby hair center part. This is where the lace is, boy, I don't know. It for the price of the wig, it's great. You get a bargain for the price of the wig. I think I have the price quoted down below, but I really don't remember exactly what it goes for yet. But I know it's under $50 for sure, for sure. So this is the model wearing it again, and this is just a card for the wig with all the information on it. And around here it shows you how to wash it and care for it and stuff like that. But I mean, I love the full black. The full black is hot, guys. Look at that. But it's available in number 1, 1B, number 2, number 4, full 99J, Bay Blonde, as in Beyonce, I'm thinking. You know, Ombre with like number 30 and 27, charcoal, copper. It's available in a range of colors, guys. So I'm gonna have the link to Diva's Tress down below in the description bar. They have a lot of different types of units on there, and I also have another hair tutorial coming from them with a crochet braid install, so stay tuned for that. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys already know I'm gonna have like crazy ass pictures on Instagram and stuff, so head on over to my IG, my Snap, all of that. Follow me on all my social media sites. I'm gonna have the links down below in the description for you guys. Drop me a comment, let me know what you guys think about this look, if you would rock it, if it's too bold for you, if you were going to get this and it's not this color, tell me what color you would get, you know. Guys, thanks so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.